Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I am going to explain one very important topic or concept which is generally we are going to use in our project. Okay, so it's very simple but very interesting and as well very helpful for you all people. So guys, what is the topic guys? What is the concept? So I will explain in this video. So guys, the topic is how we are going to design one method in your project. How we are going to use a method in your project. Main thing guys, how you can design a method. How you can design a method in a project or your knowledge sake as well. Because what is the main purpose of method? Why we are going to define method in our code, in program, in project, in application? Yes, no guys? So guys, that complete thing I will explain in this video. It's very interesting guys. It's very important. So once I will write this code, then you'll come to know, yes Amit, it's very interesting and it's very what helpful for us. So guys, without any further delay, I will start this code guide. So how to design a method? How to design a method in application? So guys, see, just let's start. So guys, mainly the creation of method. The main reason to create the method is readability. So how our code is more readability. So anyone can read our code and they can understand without explaining anything. Without explaining anything, if anyone can see our code, so they will come to know, okay, how this code is written, how much perfect this code is written. Without explanation anything, they will come to know what alone. Okay, so guys, see, I will create one class. In this class I will pick some method, and each and every method will perform what a specific operation. What I will do guys, I will take one class. In that class I will create few methods. So each and every method will perform their specific operation. Each and every method will perform their specific operation, and last they will print the result as per our requirement, as per our input. What the input we are going to provide, as per the input they are going to display our result. Okay, so guys, that thing I will what explain in this complete video end to end. So guys, complete this video is coding part, no any theory. So the main thing is how we are going to design the method in our application. So guys, see, I am going to create one class. Okay, and that class name is design method. Design method. Method design. Method design. We should have one main method, right? And then we are going to finish. This thing we know very well. So our class name is method design, and after along with class we got one main method, right guys? See, so guys, see, I will take one example. Add is, so we are going to perform some operation. We are going to add to number, multiply to number, subtract to number, divide to number, and get to remainder to number. So how to get remainder? Okay, so guys, some operation we are going to perform in this class. So guys, if you are going to perform some operation, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, right? So we are performing so many operations. So guys, see, so I will create few method. So one method I will take only input. So the method name just like as input. In this method only we are performing some input operation. Okay? Once you will get the input from the user, when you will get the input from the user, then how you're going to perform operation. after getting the input, how you're going to perform the operation, right? Then for this purpose, I will take some process method, perform method. So we'll take one method, SPC method, where we're going to perform some operation. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what operation we have. So in this specific method, we are going to perform some operation. Okay. Once you perform the operation, then how you're going to display all the result. So after adding two number, what result we get? After subtracting two number, what result we get? So all the after performing all the operation, how we are getting the result? That result we are going to perform in some SSC method. So guys, we will take three methods. Suppose for input purpose, input method, some operation purpose, so perform operation method, and get third, we are going to display all the result. We can take display method. So how all these things will accumulate in a single class, and how we're going to call all these methods, and how we are going to get all the result, that thing I will explain in this video. That is guys very interesting, because if you know this concept, then happily you can implement anything in your project level as well. Because in your project also guys, you have different types of operation, we have different type of functionalities. So as per your requirement, you need to develop the respective functionality in the respective method only. Yes or no? So due to which your code is more readability. Yes or no? If anyone can see, okay, this is a specific functionality, so this guy written in this method, so your code will more visualized, so you can get what, more clarity of your code. Correct guys? So guys, I will take guys, see, if I am going to perform some operation, definitely guys, first you should have some what, variable, right? You should have some variable. Yes or no guys? You should have some variable. Guys, for variable, I am taking here suppose int n1 and n2. Correct guys? I have taken two value here. I am taking here two variable. So guys, see. So line number 5, I am creating here two variable n1 and n2. So guys, see, this is the instance variable. This is globally, yes or no? So guys, if you will create this variable inside the method, so the scope will limit guys, yes or no? If this variable, if you create inside the method, that means the scope of this variable will be what? Limit, yes or no? But guys, if you will create this variable class level, right? That is instance variable, the scope will be inside the class only. Any places you can use, yes or no? If you will declare this int n1 and n2 as a class level, that means the scope will be visibility for entire the class. That's why guys, I have taken here instance variable, not the local variable. This is one concept guys. This is one concept. Whenever if you're going to implement anything in your project level, so just keep in mind. So you need to initialize this variable as a class level, as an instance variable, not a local variable. I hope you got it. Guys, now second. So guys, see what I am going to do. After taking guys this int n1 and n2, guys, so if you will take input from the user, if you want to input, if you want to take this input from the user, so guys, you need to take a scanner class. Yes or no? So guys, see a scanner sc equals to what? New scanner, right? Yes or no guys? Correct? In that we are going to pass what, our system dot in. Yes or no? Correct. We need to import this thing. I imported it. So this class is available in our java.util.scanner class. That's okay. We are getting issue, but after importing this class, we resolve that issue. So guys, we have taken this scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Guys, one thing also I will explain here. So guys, see scanner sc equal to new scanner I have taken globally, right? So guys, this input you need to take only in your what? Input method. Yes or no? So guys, first I will create all this, the respective method what we required in this class. So already I have told you guys, our problem statement is you need to create, okay, three methods. So first method will be guys input method, and second method should be what, perform operation method, and third method where we are going to show all the result. Correct guys? So see, first if we will create one method, suppose guys method is what, void input. Yes or no? If I'm taking one method guys, that is void input. Right? I'm taking one method. In this method we will take input from the user. Only this operation we are going to perform in this method. So we will take the input from the user and we are going to store in our this variable n1 and n2. Correct guys? Same guy, once we have taken the input from the user, I will create one more method guys. So guys, that is method is what, void perform operation. Yes or no? I have taken one method that is perform operation, right? So guys, we have operation like what, I will initialize here int, add, and subtract, then multiply, right? Multiply, then divide, and then remainder. So guys, these all operation we are going to perform in this class. Yes or no? In this class we are going to perform all the operation guys. So this is our perform operation method where we are going to perform all the operation, add, subtract, multiply, division, remainder. Correct guys? And guys, one method also we should have, that is guys display method. Void display. Void display. In this method we are going to perform all the result. All the result, how we are going to print that thing, I am going to inside this method, display method guys. Yes or no? So guys, see, first what we need to implement in input method. So guys, what I was explaining. So scanner s equal to new scanner system.in, this is guys globally, but guys this is not required here. You can this scanner only in this method guys. Yes or no? Because we are taking input only for this method, not the globally. Yes or no? So guys, you can remove this thing and you can put inside our what, input method, because we are taking here input in only input method guys. That is guys core readability and more understanding. So what are things we are going to implement? So for respective method we should have. So if you are taking input from the user, so all the things, all the input related things we need to write inside the input method. Correct guys? See, after creating this scanner class, what we need to write guys? So we need to print what, enter two number, right? So we need to tell to the user, hey, you need to take, you enter the two number. Yes or no? So guys, see, sys out, I am going to print here what, enter the two number, right? Enter the two number. Enter the two number. Enter the two number. Yes. So guys, after entering the two number, so what they are going to enter? So we will store in our n1 and n2 variable. So guys, that's why, that purpose we have guys next int method in our scanner class. Yes or no? We have guys next int method. Next int method we have in our scanner class. So already we have created object of the scanner class guys. So sc dot next int. Okay. So that value we are going to hold where guys, in our created n1, right? Already we have created n1. So in that n1 we are going to hold this value after getting this input by the user guy. I hope you understood. So the same thing we can do for other variable as well. So already we have created two variables, so n1 and n2. Yes or no? So guys, this time this is n2. So guys, see what we have done. So in the input method we have taken what, input from the user. Yes or no? Nothing we have done. In the input method we have implemented what, taking the input from the user, and we're going to hold in our n1 and n2 variable. I hope you got it guys. You should not have any confusion till now. Guys, it's a very simple program, but I want to show you how you need to design the method. How you need to design the method in a project level, because this is a very simple example. But same way, if you have more than one functionality, more than one requirement, so how you going to design, how you going to implement all the respective requirement in respective method specifically. So guys, next thing, so now we have taken input n1 and n2. Now guys, we are going to perform some operation. So guys, see, already have taken add, subtract, multiply, division, remainder. So guys, so if you are going to add, right, so we have n1 plus n2. Yes or no? We have n1 plus n2. After adding this number, how this value will be hold, where we can hold this result. So that only we have created one add variable. So I can what represent here add. So it will hold, after adding two number, it will hold into the add variable. Yes or no guys? So guys, same way we can do all other operation, right? We can do all other operation guys. Yes or no? So guys, this place I want to write what? Subtract. Yes or no? Subtract, but need to give here n1 minus n2. Sorry guys. n1 minus n2. Yes or no? Guys, this is our multiply. Yes or no? Multiply. Already we have created the variable multiply as multiply. So guys, this time it will perform the operation multiply. Okay? It perform the multiply. So guys, now this is division. So guys, div equals to what? N divide n2. And guys, last what we have remainder, right? So guys, what is the remainder? You know very well. So guys, for the purpose we have this operation, right? Remainder. Correct guys? This is our this operation. For getting remainder, we need to put this. Correct guys? So we have done all the operation. We have performed all the operation, and also we have hold all the what value. Correct guys? See, after performing the operation guys, after performing this all operation, we need to print this result. Yes or no? We want to print this result. So guys, what we need to do? So guys, very simple. So we can print this result with our help of sysout, right? Sysout, and we need to write guys inside what? Sum of the two number each. Yes or no? And guys, we need to add this variable, right, where we are going to hold this value, right? So that in same way we can what? Print other operation as well. Yes or no? So guys, see, one need to change here subtract, right? Sum of two number is what? We need to change here our this variable where we are going to hold this value, right? So let's see. So guys, see, then multiply, right? Multiply of two number is, we can write here what? This our variable. So where we are going to store this value, and guys, then it is div of two number is where we are going to store this value. So div only, right? And guys, last one, that is remainder, right? So remainder of two number is where we are going to store this value. So let's see. So we have performed guys these three operations, right? These three method we have performed our requirement, right, in the respective method. So we have taken input in input method, we have performed all operation in a perform operation method, and we have display all the result in our display method guys. See, by seeing this code guy, how it becomes easy guy. So all the operation, we have operation guy. So first we have taken input, operation, perform operation, then display. It looks like very simple guy. So guys, same way, if you implement the code in your project, then whatever the person will see result, they will convince a lot. Yes or no? Because they'll come to know you know perfect coding standard, you know perfect coding skills. So how the things is implemented in our application, how the thing is going to implement in our application, so they understood you are the perfect developer. Yes or no? You are the perfect developer. So guys, that's I would request you, whenever if you're going to implement anything in your project, you need to think in such a way so everyone can like your code, everyone can appreciate your code. Okay guys, now we have created all these three methods. Now guys, how we are going to access? Now how we are going to access all these method what we have created in our method design class. So guys see. So guys, all the method input, perform operation and display, all the method is non-static method. Yes or no? All method are non-static method. And guys, already I made one video, a static method and non-static method difference. So the guys who is coming first time to watch this video, so I would suggest you please go last video guy where I explained difference between what a static method and non-static method. Then we'll come to know how a static method deals with the class level, how non-static method deals with object level. So guys, in this class all the methods what we have, that is all are non-static. So guys, non-static method deals with object level guys. So that's why guys we need to create object of the class first. So guys see, our class is guys method design. So guys, first I need to create the object of this class. Yes or no? So guys see, I am going to create here object of this class. So method design ref equal to new method design. Yes or no guys? So guys, this is a constructor. This is a constructor guys, and we are going to create an object. So guys see, after creating the object, we can call guys all respective method what we have created here. So guys see, ref dot we have guys one input our method. You can see guys there or not there input method, right? So guys it will call this method and it will print, it will hold this result n1 and n2 after entering this two number guy. Then it will call what, ref dot perform operation. You can see where we have perform operation method. See, perform operation method we have here, right? So it will perform all the operation as per the input. What the input we are going to pass, according to that they will what, perform the operation, right guys? Then guys, at last we have guys one more method, that is display method, right? So we can call display method whatever the operation is performed, according to that it will print our what, result guys. So guys, display it will be top display guys. Yes or no? So guys, in that way we can access all non-static method with the help of object. Yes or no? Because non-static method deals with the object level only. So guys see, this is our complete code. If requirement is came, if you're going to perform all the operation and how you need to write the code, right? Then you need to write in such a way. Guys, you know one thing also, you should know one thing also, because sometimes interviewer may ask such type question also. Can you implement some program in which you will perform all the operation? Can you write the code in which you need to perform all the operation, just like int, add, subtract, multiply, division, remainder? Then guys, you need to design in such a way what I have explained here. So definitely after seeing this code, what interviewer will be convinced a lot. So you know perfect coding standard, you know perfect designing of the method, how the method should be designed, you know very well. So definitely they will impress you, they will appreciate your what, coding skills. So guys, now in front of you I will run the application, we'll see result it's coming expected or not. See guys, in the two number coming or not. So guys see, I am giving here 100 and what, 200. So first number is 100 and second number is 200. Okay, see, then result is guys, see, sum of two number guys 300. So 100 plus 200 300. So we are going to subtract, if we are going to subtract 100 minus 200, definitely it will give minus 100. Multiply two number guy, multiply 100 200, 27 is coming or not. Multiply 100 into 200, which will become 20,000, right? Divide of two number, 100 divided by division, right guy? Two number is 0. Remainder guy, okay. So because you are going to divide 100 to 200, that's why you're going to 0 guy, and remainder is what? 100. Yes or no? I will give some other input guy. Then also you come to know. See, suppose 200 and also you can give 50 and 100. See the result, you getting or not? So same way guy, you can what? Get the result. Whatever going to give number, see 50 plus 100, 150. We are going to minus 50 minus 100 minus 50 guy. You multiply this thing, division this thing, and remainder this thing. Good guy. One more time I will take some other example. Now you can take here, suppose 100 then 50. See result guy. So 100 plus 50, 150. Subtract 100 minus 50, 50. Multiply 100 minus 50, 5,000. If you're going to divide what? 50 100, 2, remainder is 0 because we are not getting any remainder here. So guys, with all these three example, what we have seen. So if you are going to provide these two input, so you can perform all the operation here. In perform operation method corresponding, you can see all the display result. In display method, what we are going to display method, what we are going to writing, what display statement, you can see accordingly. Yes or no guys? So guys, I hope you understood with the implementation of this design method. Means guys, what this method does. So it will perform all the operation as per their specification. So input method does taking input from the user and holding the value in our variable, and perform operation will taking what? Performing all the logic, all the operation, and display method is displaying all the display method what? Displaying all the response corresponding their operation. Yes or no guys? This is completely guys our operation. This is completely our design of any method. So guys, that's it guys from this video. So definitely guys, this video will be very helpful for you. So if you want to design a method, definitely you can go through what? Check this my video. Definitely it will very helpful for you. Not only your knowledge sake, as per implement this in your project. If you want to implement any concept in your project, so guys, this video will very helpful for you. So how you going to secret all the what? All the respective information. So input method, input information, perform operation method, display the result. So all are the different types of specific what? Functionalities. So if you're going to implement respective functionalities, so we should create a specific method guy. Inside that method we need to perform the operation guy. So guys, that's it. Definitely guys, this video will very helpful for you if you want to know how to design the method in project level as well. After seeing this code, definitely everyone will appreciate your knowledge as well as your skills. So you are the perfect developer. You know very well how to design the method. That's it guys. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Okay. So same type of video or such type of concept I will bring in front of you regular basis. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Meet very soon in next video.